Hi guys, welcome to the Actim channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to comment on any specific video on YouTube. So let's go to YouTube first. Now if you like this video and if you want to comment on this video, all you have to just click on this,
ইসরায়েলি আগ্রাসনের প্রতিবাদ করায়
then scroll down and you can see here add a comment section with your picture or your avatar. Okay, so just scroll down and you can see here the comments of all of you guys, or all of the guys who have been commented here on this specific video. So you just put your cursor here and comment here anything, like comment here as you wish, or write anything you want and click on comment, and you'll find that your comment has been added here. Okay, so guys, this is how you can comment on a YouTube in specific video. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.